Hey y'all, I'm about to open up this Monopro hole saw kit. Look at this case this thing comes in. It's like a legit case for this hole saw kit. So they say this is for like hard metal, but you can use it for wood and other metals, I guess. But this is like a pretty legit looking set. Look at this thing. So we're just going to get into it and drill some holes, see how it does. But before we do, I mean, just look at what they got going on here. These things are not joking around. Holy smokes. Look at the tips on these. Will this thing focus? Maybe it will today. There we go. Look at the tips on these. Now they got the measurements on either side. 35 millimeter. Really nice case. They got some extra backup bits here. A couple Allen keys. Well, just a really well thought out, nicely put together kit. All right, let's put some holes and stuff. Okay, so I've got some 16 gauge metal here. We'll start with this. So I'm gonna use a 25.5 millimeter, and I'm gonna use just a garden variety DeWalt drill just to test this thing. I might put it on a bigger drill here, and this thing's only got 2 bars, so it's not even a really full battery, but whatever, it'll be fine. Take the tip off. Yeah, I'm wearing gloves and glasses on this one. This is a first for me. All right, that worked pretty good, and the spring on here kind of shot the metal out the other side. So there it is, 16 gauge. We could do something a little thicker. I'm not going to test it too hard, but I'll try something a little thicker. Okay, so this one's 3/16 is what I'm seeing here. So we'll do this one. All right, I'm going to use a slightly heavier duty DeWalt, but still just a hand drill. It broke through clean.